Hi, I'm Jesse McCready. I'm with Animodule. Check out my modules at animodule.com. Last time I saw you, I cut the worm wheel and the worm gear. You saw them spinning in the spin and indexer I had. I had mentioned that they weren't meshing as well as I had expected, and it turns out that this thread is not as deep as it should have been. I'm not sure exactly what happened. It could be was just using a little 1/4 inch tool, so only one screw on the tool post was holding it down. It may well have slid a little bit when pressure was applied. This was tough stuff. What was it, 8620 or 82? Yeah, 8620. Alright, so instead of refining the thread on that, I cut another one. Same numbers, same tool. This one looks better. This looks like how an Acme thread should look. It's 0.85 deep, which is 0.085 deep, excuse me. Which, you know, thread pitch is 0.15 in between the two crests. You take that, have it, and add 0.01. I think it'll be 0.085. So this looks better. Well, I had this up here. I made a hob too. This would probably work fine, but I don't know. I wanted to make a hob because who doesn't? Yeah, I guess I don't have enough things to do with my thumb. So I use the same thing. It's 7 threads per inch. It's 0.085 thousandths deep. I cut chip relief with a 3/16 inch end mill and indexed it around 120 degrees. So there's 3 slots in here for chip clearance. This is 01 tool steel. I hardened it and tempered it. Now the temper was just at 400 in an old toaster oven, so who knows what it really is. And I only had it in there for an hour because I had something to do, so maybe a little too hard, or maybe it didn't harden properly, although that file was skating nice. But anyway, we're gonna give her a go and check out this gear hobbing. Got everything clamped in and locked down. I'm gonna turn this on and feed it in slow. Can you see that? Yeah. Alright, let's give her a go. Is that all meshed in properly? Yep. I tried this already and the spin index slipped up. I'd rather have a jig instead of doing this in the spin index, but whatever. It's not like I'm running high RPMs or anything. There you go. She's moving all right. Give her a little lubrication. It's not moving in the vise. Everything seems to be working right. Okay. I'm gonna move it in and hair. Move it in. Oh, move it in. Oh, there you go. Don't move in the vise. Come on, nice and easy, all cooperation. Let it go around the full thing. I just eyeballed this, centered everything up, height and x-axis. We're not building a rocket ship. Just worming a wheel for a dividing head. It may jump a little bit when we get to the piece that I welded on. I guess we'll find out in 15 minutes when it finally comes around again. A whole rotation. Oh, there it goes. Oh, get out. All right. Now this keeps. I got to machine the edges of this spin index because it keeps lifting up in the vise. All right, take two. I put a couple copper wires in here. See, the problem is the spin index bottom plate is not plumb. It's got a little angle on it, so maybe this copper wire will bite into it. I'm not using high forces here, but I put a strip of aluminum on the other side and maybe it'll make the difference. Yeah, take two here. Everything's, I guess it's all locked down as good as it's getting. That's, give her a go. As a move. Move it in. Let it go around one rotation. Wants to lift. Not though. The first time I tried this, I didn't have the quill lock, and it tried to walk down. And we're going to move in here. I would like to run this a little faster, but I don't beat the spin index up. When I run it faster, I'll set a jig up. Got a little more pressure on it. We'll be holding in place. Yeah, I know. It's a little tedious. We'll check back in when I get a little deeper. I'm such a chicken. This works so much better. It's not going to beat the spin index up. This is 60 to 1. How fast can it go? So a little lubrication. It probably would have worked fine just the way it was, but it would have ended up hobbing itself. So it's nice to add a little hollow radius. Crazy. I bet it would tell me in the machinery's handbook how deep I gotta hob it and what the math on this is. Just eyeballing it. Because I think in reality, for my use for it, it's not terribly perfect. think we're just about there. Can you see the wheel on there? Here, I'll put a flashlight on it. See if you can't see that radius there. I just keep slowly increasing pressure. And I'm calling that good. Because you know what? If it needs more, I can do it some more. It's not like this was hard to set up. There's no indicating, assuming my vise is moderately trammed. I think within reason, I'd probably just eyeball that too. Alright, well, I'll see you soon as I get more of this dividing it together. Thanks for watching.